Hello, it's me Ashley, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I've got another little travel-y vlog for you, staying in the country this time, and we're going a little bit potty. Okay, so today I'm vlogging. We are heading down to the Harry Potter studios near London. So today is our little travel day. We are going tomorrow, so I'll keep you posted on all of that. So I just thought I'd start the vlog now. There's not going to be an awful lot to show you today, but I can show you around the hotel we stay in tonight and whatever we end up eating and things. So just at the minute, we've just kind of getting packed up and finished off. I'll show you what I'm wearing. Don't mind the mess in the mirror. But I've gone for a polo neck. I'm thinking I might pop on a cardigan as well. I don't know if you're focusing so well there. And I've got a nice bright skirt from Shein. I'm going to put some ankle boots on, not my slippers, and unfortunately my little angel's not coming. She's scared of the thing. Let me show you what else I'm going to take. I'm going to take my lounge fly that Chris got me for Christmas. It's the Luna Lovegood one, so I thought it would be perfect for the Harry Potter studios, and it's very pretty too, and I think you can get quite a lot of stuff in it really. I've got a fair bit in there already, and I reckon I could pop some more stuff in, so that should be excellent. Anyway guys, that's it really. Oh god, the lighting's not very good there. That's it really. I'll keep you posted and I'll show you around, and then we will do a little vlog heading around Harry Potter, so I will keep you posted. It's really not wanting to focus today, this is it, sorry. It's trying to focus on the curtain. Anyway, I'll catch up with you shortly. Hello, so after a few hours drive we have arrived at our hotel. It is the Premier Inn at HemelHempstead West, I believe. We're kind of just off a motorway. Anyway, I'll show you around. So obviously we come in through the door. Let me just turn you around. Straight away you'll see we have some like wardrobe space, a couple of hangers, some spare pillows and things up top, and some room to put things, towels, and like a couple of shelves, a drawer for storage. Then over here we've got like a dressing table area. Hi, there's me. We've got a mirror, got a hairdryer, some sockets, some information about the menu and things and bits and bobs. And then over here, the wine came with us. We have some tea and coffee making facilities, should we need them. And then up here we also have a TV, so we can watch TV directly from bed. We have a fan should we need it, what looks like a little heater. We've got a nice full length little mirror, hi, a painting. Then we've got like a little window. I doubt there's any decent view out there, but it's pretty dark at the moment. Then we have a nice little chair in the corner. Then the bed. Premier Inn beds tend to be pretty comfortable. Another little bit of artwork on the wall there, and then over here we have the bathroom. All Premier Inns tend to be pretty standard if you've seen them. So we have a toilet, a sink, a nice big mirror, there's me again, hi, and then a nice shower, lots of towels and things. There's always a body and hair gel wash on the thing, and a nice big shower head. So pretty much that is our room. So we have booked to go for tea to a nearby pub called the Plough, I believe it's called. Chris found it online. I'd looked up a couple of restaurants, but apparently I was looking up the wrong HemelHempstead Premier Inn. I didn't realise there was more than one. But we found a nice little pub, so we booked a table there in about an hour. So just gonna get a quick little freshen up, maybe head for a drink or something, and then head to the pub. So I'll try and take you with me. It's been a long and tiring day. I know it's not probably the most interesting of vlogs, but I'll do my best. And obviously tomorrow is the main vlog day, so this might just be a little mini taster. Anyway guys, I'll see you again soon. Chris is just investigating the bathroom, and we found the taps a little bit weird.
Chris, is that?
What's that about? Do you think it's broken, or that's just how it's meant to be?
It's got a weird thing in the end, so I'm guessing that's by design.
Okay.
I like it.
It's a bit strange.
I'm guessing it's to save on water.
Yeah, maybe. It's just a bit strange. Hello, so Chris and I are now back at the room. Chris is just chilling.
Oh.
So we've just been out for tea at a local pub called the Plough.
Yes, the Plough.
I've come up very white. We've got a lot of lights on, I suppose. That was nice. Enjoying your food?
It was tasty.
Nice. I got well, we got bread to share to start. You'll have seen that, and then I got garlic mushrooms, creamy garlic mushrooms. Love me some creamy garlic mushrooms. Yours is a bit crazy, your starter.
Yeah, caramel chicken. It's like chicken nuggets, but in a proper sweet caramel, like the kind of caramel sauce you get on ice cream. I'm looking at myself. I always do that. Look up there.
No, you do.
Yeah, like a caramel sauce that you get on ice cream or something. I mean, it worked.
Yeah, you said you liked it.
Yeah,
you said it was a good thing for a starter, and you couldn't maybe necessarily have the main.
It'd be too much for a main. I think a bit too sickly sweet for a main. But I think it was like 5 or 6. I mean, I'm guessing you've got pictures. Maybe like 5.
Oh, you'll have seen a little video.
5 or 6 nuggets. I think little chicken nuggets with the caramel sauce and toasted sesame seeds, and that was enough of a portion.
Yeah, and so you tried some garlic.
Yeah, nice garlic.
Mushrooms, they were nice. I like garlic mushrooms.
I suppose the bread, we had...
yes, I took a little footage of the garlic. The bread. The bread.
The bread at the nice was nice. The bread at the start was nice.
Yes, it was nice. Nice bread.
Nice soft squidgy bread that had been toasted just enough.
And the main, I got a veggie lasagna, which was blinking, scalding hot. It took me ages to eat it. I felt like I was like holding everybody back, but nice.
Yeah. And then I had
a burger.
Yeah, barbecue-y burger, chips and onion rings. Yeah, I mean, I've had better burgers.
You're quite the burger aficionado.
I'm quite picky with my burgers, yes. And it was
no
nice,
Shake Shack.
No Shake Shack. I mean, you can't beat a smash burger, and this wasn't a smash burger. It was a standard burger. But it tasted enough. Could have done with a bit more barbecue sauce. I think they were a bit stingy with the barbecue sauce, if I'm honest. Chips were nice, onion rings were nice.
Chips are good, chips are good.
I like a red cabbage coleslaw. I know you're not a fan of such a thing.
No,
but it
I like it nice.
It was nice. It worked nice with the chips and stuff. So yeah, more barbecue sauce, I'd have it again. And
then I didn't get any footage of the pudding. Chris got a pudding.
Nobody else bought freaking pudding, it was only me.
I got an extra drink instead because I was too full.
Well, no, I'm too full. But I got a hot chocolate fudge sundae.
Yeah, like a hot chocolate fudge
not
cake.
Not as expected. Yes, fudge cake.
Yeah, because it was in like a little
fudge
small
brownie. I think it was a fudge brownie.
Yeah, it was in like a small bowl, wasn't it? I always expect like something in a Knickerbocker glory.
Yeah, like a round bowl, like you get 3 dollops of ice cream in. Yeah. Whereas you say you expect a sundae to come in a Knickerbocker glory glass, like a taller one. But it was fine, like kind of chocolate and vanilla ice cream, some pieces of hot fudge, some proper sweet squirty cream, and then some chocolate drizzle.
Yeah, so we had a nice little 3-course meal, really. Yeah. So that's it really. Yeah. So I'm going to sign off now, but I'm not going to sign off fully. In the morning we're going for breakfast here at the Premier Inn. Yep. Which is unlimited cooked breakfast. Apparently they've got lots of vegetarian, vegan options and lots of
bacon. All of it.
As
Ron Swanson says, all the bacon.
All the bacon. So we'll show you around the buffet and things in the morning, and then I'll probably start the next vlog like when we get to Harry Potter. Because there's not an awful lot to this one. I do apologise. It's just kind of giving you an idea of where we stayed and stuff. Yep. Anyway, see you in the morning. Good night.
Good night.
Hello, good morning. It's Harry Potter Day. We're about to head down for breakfast in the hotel. I'll show you what the buffet likes, but I thought, quick, I'll show you my outfit. So today I'm going to wear this jumper which came from Shein. It's like a jumper dress with some nice thermal leggings, got my boots on, and underneath I've got a t-shirt because it's rather chilly out there. So yes, heading for breakfast. Breakfast is a buffet. You get a choice of a continental buffet or a full cooked breakfast buffet. The breakfast buffet, if you want cooked, is £9.50 and it's got drinks and stuff all you can eat. So we're going to have some of that. So the continental breakfast is unlimited and just available, and if you want a cooked breakfast you can order whatever you want from here. So different types of eggs, different vegan things and vegetarian things too, so I think we'll all be happy. I've got an orange juice. So let me show you what's available on the continental breakfast. Firstly we have juice, there's also water there. And then as we head over here, this is all the continental breakfast stuff, free to use, tea and coffee machines, lots of different types of coffee and tea, and then obviously you've got your sugar and seasonings. different pastries and things, toaster so you can warm that up, and then there's cereal of various types, probably a little bit of something for everybody, I would like to think. Lots of proper Kellogg's stuff, and you can get your Weetabix and your muesli. And then we have some bits of fruit and your milk and the butter. So there you go. Chris is full English. And toast. And veggie stuff. For me. And a muffin. Yeah. So we are back from breakfast. Breakfast is nice, there's lots of options. You could have chose as many things as you wanted from the cooked menu, and anything you wanted from the little continental bar that I got a bit of footage of. So that's really the end of the vlog. This was kind of a very quick little vlog, just kind of showing you what we did prior to Harry Potter Studios. If you've been before, drop us a comment and let us know where you've stayed and where you've eaten. We're at a different hotel tonight, so after the Harry Potter vlog, which will follow when we go to the Harry Potter Studios, I will do another little vlog showing you around the next hotel, which is a Jewellery's Inn, and then whatever we do for food and things after that. So yes, that's the end of this little short introduction to our Harry Potter vlog. So drop me a comment, like I say, let me know if you've been around this neck of the woods, what do you recommend, and give me a like if you've enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't a very long one, guys, but stick around, subscribe, because I've got the Harry Potter vlog coming. I've got all sorts coming, you know what I'm like. So take a look at my channel if you've not been here before, and you'll get an idea what I'm about. Anyway, guys, I'll see you very soon as we head to Harry Potter. Goodbye.